fun day at sea. We have lots of things to do today, but our ocean is very lively today. We had a lightning storm that we were in when I woke up, and it was pouring rain, but we're going to make the most of the day. Deal or no deal, but apparently we misread the planner. Even though it said deal or no deal, it wasn't deal or no deal. So we came back to the room. We actually got our stuff packed up, which means that for the rest of the day, and we have 8 or 9 hours, we don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So I think the kids are gonna go to kids club. We're gonna go hang out by the pool-ish area, except we're not going to get into the pool because it is pouring down rain, which wouldn't be a bad thing because you're going to be wet if you're in the pool, but there's lightning, so we can't get in the pool. Alright, we're going to go see a magic show in I'm trying to comedy. show that we were watching. Now we're here at ChiBang. We're going to eat some more good ChiBang food. Almost where we started. You can see Galveston here. And for those of you coming on the Jubilee, it is 6:12. We are reporting around 6:12, so probably by 6:30 we'll be tied up. When the Jubilee came to Galveston to pick us up, she got in around 9:30. So if you watch our embarkation video, that's, you know, how quickly they were moving. So definitely did a great job of shortening that time, getting us turned around quickly. So I'll probably video a little bit today, just giving you kind of a rundown of the process of leaving, and we'll couple this with the last day at sea.